It doesn't matter.
Yeah, it does. The big boys will snatch all those things up in a hurry.
He played with the big boys yesterday and he got 30.
Come on, dude. Come on, Grayson.
Get him!
Go!
Go get him!
Come on, guys, they're all over. Look, Colt. Colt, there you go.
Keep getting him, buddy. Get him. Keep getting him. Look on the floor.
Look on the floor. Grayson. Yeah, get him. All over.
Sorry.
Higher than 3 feet. Colt, are you finding eggs everywhere?
Maybe.
There's not one everywhere. Oh, looky there.
Look,
Connor, where'd it go?
this is one of mine. This is one of mine, Daddy.
Cool.
The Easter Bunny here found your eggs and then hid them from you? No, look up high. Easter
Look,
Oh, look up there.
He went
look,
real high.
No, you give me 5 eggs.
Yes, ma'am.
Well,
How tall
you're
is the
now.
Easter Bunny?
Yes, ma'am. They're everywhere. Where's Grayson? Grayson finding some?
I didn't know they were everywhere. I get a bunch.
Oh, look over there.
Connor, look up there.
Hey, somebody go throw some trash away.
Where's Reagan's basket?
I need that.
Oh, Colt. Colt is so busy now.
Oh, looky there. Looky there.
Okay.
Colt. Great Googledy Buggledy. Way to go, Connor. Uh-oh.
Oh! They met at the same egg.
Way to share, guys. Way to not beat each other up.
I guess I'm gonna get all the ones over here.
Okay.
Yeah. So you get all those. Way over there.
I got some more. Oh, there's some on the. Oh, there's some on the tractor.
Grayson, get over here. Hurry.
Grayson.
Hurry, Mommy. Hurry. Hurry. Hurry.
I got one.
Connor the pig is eating them. He's a egg disposal.
Connor's already eaten them.
Nah.
Go by the tractor. Over there. Look. Go by the tractor.
Good grief, dude. All right, well, your mom's got a bag, I think.
Come here, buddy. Come here.
Grayson, over here.
Grayson.
On the other side. Over here. See?
It's okay.
Uh-oh.
That's all right.
It's okay.
Almost messing things up.
Yeah, Mommy. Grayson, come here.
Uh-oh.
Grayson.
It's okay.
Grayson, come here.
Look over here, guys. I see eggs over here, too. They're everywhere.
Here, your mama, hey, Connor, your mama's got a plastic bag for you to put those in. Okay.
He already did
Where
some.
are you? You're not, you need
He already emptied once. Chill.
Well, he's full again. You guys gotta stay next to your kid where he can dump his eggs. Kind of like the pig through.
Coach getting good.
Look at that big tractor wheel over there. What do you see on that big tractor wheel?
Look on the wheel, buddy. Look at the tractor.
On the wheel.
Look at
the big wheel.
on the wheel. The tire. Look down low.
You did.
Mom died.
Oh, I just gotta drop my Grayson.
Too often.
Look up high.
Ah, Grayson found a tall one. My child over there, I kind of just dropped her.
Let's go this way.
Grayson, over here.
Over there.
Over there. Over there.
1, 2, 3. Oh, good grief. Hey, come on, guys. There's a bunch over here.
Well, look on the shelf.
Look, guys, start looking real hard.
Dang it. Need to focus. Probably got lots of pictures of nothing.
Hey, Grayson.
Where are all the eggs? Look in your basket. Your basket's where they
Colt.
are.
Right here. Look at me. There we go.
Eggs.
Are they all gone?
No, that can't be 140 something, can it? That's it.
I don't know.
Is that all of it, Greg?
Remember where you put them all in the exact spots?
Look at mommy.
That might be in
Hey,
there.
Colt, stand next to Natalie. Stand next to her.
Can we get all of y'all together?
You want to go
All the
stand?
kids?
Why don't you stand by
Here,
Colt
guys.
and Colt? I'm really quick. Go stand by him so we can take a picture. Take a picture. That's good. And take a picture from with Colt. Connor. Connor.
Well, they
Here,
have
baby, stand right here and turn around and face me.
Come on.
Here, Natalie. I don't know if you're
Oh,
Come on, Natalie. Grayson.
thanks.
Christy.
No problem.
Girls, look at Grayson.
His feet are just like
Hold on, we can turn
Okay,
it.
hold on.
Where's Reagan?
Where's Reagan?
Natalie.
Reagan.
Natalie,
Wait a minute.
Hey, one more time, buddy. Get Natalie looking.
stop.
Grayson.
Grayson, look.
Natalie.
Get Reagan in there. Stop. Reagan.
Reagan, look. Reagan, look.
Reagan.
Say
Hey, Reagan. Hey, Reagan. Hey.
You got them all.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, baby, you're good.
All right.
Colt. Oh. Natalie.
Okay, well, wait until we get in. Yay!
Yay! Y'all did good.
Let's go take
How
a
many
picture.
eggs you get, Colt? A bunch. I know. I was gonna say.